Your home is your castle, and the first impression matters. But clogged gutters and dirty soffits can make even the most charming property look neglected. But it's not just about curb appeal. Clogged gutters can cause water damage to your roof and walls, while dirty soffits become breeding grounds for mold and algae. That's where Shining Windows comes in. Our professional gutter and soffits cleaning service goes beyond just making your home look stunning. We use specialist treatments to tackle mold and algae at every accessible source, leaving your soffits and guttering sparkling clean and free from harmful mold spores. The result: a picture-perfect home that not only looks amazing but also boasts a healthier environment for you and your family. Sure, a clean exterior makes a statement, but the true beauty lies in the peace of mind that comes with a healthy, well-maintained home. Don't let clogged gutters and dirty soffits bring down your home's value and potentially affect your clean living space. Let Shining Windows make it shine. Visit shiningwindows.co.uk to view our pricing. Oh, and you can make a booking using our calendar online to select a date and time. It's that easy, and if it rains, just pop back online and reschedule your appointment. #easy peasy. See you sometime then. Thanking you kindly.